Hi, I am Roshan from Barampur, Odisha. I am a recent graduate. I did my B.TECH in the college called Roland Institute of Technology, where I in the course called EC. I'm a EC graduate. Then I joined in the month of February in the Jspiders Punjagutta branch. I enrolled with the course called Java Full Stack. My trainers are Pavan sir, Kaushik sir, for advanced Java, Ramesh sir, and for front end part I learned that from Geeta ma'am, and including React also. And the all faculties like including teachers and HRs both are helpful, and they conduct mock tests, grooming, presentation, so it builds our confidence. And they added HRs are if you are perform good in mock tests, HR will directly call you and add your requirements, and that's okay. Thank you, Jspiders.